Cooloola Cove, fly-in breakfast. It wasn't a super early morning start, which meant the return flight was going to be, well, rather thermic. But it was all for a good cause. Many of the Maryborough Aero Club members were preparing their craft for a similar departure time because breakfast was at 9 AM. And that's a cooked barbecue breakfast as well.
Alright, we're going to Cooloola Cove. We've got a whole gaggle of vehicles, aircraft heading. Just waiting for Pete to take off. We're using runway 35. Maryborough traffic, trike 6340 enters, lines up, rolls 35, right hand departure, Cooloola Cove. Maryborough traffic. Maryborough traffic, trike 6340 is airborne, runway 35, right hand departure, tracking southeast for Cooloola Cove, 1000, climbing to 2500. Maryborough.
A short flight south down the Sandy Straits to Inskip Point and then inland towards Tin Can Bay and Cooloola Cove would be just the ticket to provide quite the scenic journey.
Cooloola Cove traffic, trike 6340 is 10 miles to the north, 2500 tracking the Tin Can Bay Straits for Cooloola Cove. Estimate time and circuit 43 Cooloola Cove.
A flight of about 40 minutes and the airfield circuit was achieved.
Trike 6340 joins downwind right hand 34 Cooloola Cove.
Cooloola Cove, Tango 4 runway Cooloola Cove. Traffic on high, it's AU1 to 94, it's joining into the Delta 34 right, downwind, Cooloola Cove.
Cooloola Cove traffic, trike 6340, final 34, full stop, Cooloola Cove. Cooloola Cove traffic, trike 6340, clear of runway, Cooloola Cove.
It was well worth checking out a few of the planes that turned up as well, especially this one. Thank you to Rod for hosting us, the Maryborough Aero Club, and also the Sling Aircraft Group who flew up from Heckfield at the Gold Coast.
Hey guys.
Good. I met these guys about a week ago.
Yes, a week has gone by since.
Girls from Farnsfield.
Farnsfield, the 6th runway, Farnsfield.
And there's a few here today. Peter's here today.
Hello, good morning.
Well, it's that time, departure time. It came soon enough, so now it's off into the wild blue firmic yonder.
Cooloola Cove traffic, Microlight 6340. Backtracks 34, Cooloola Cove.
You happy to come in behind me, Stuart?
Yeah, that's good, thanks, if you don't mind.
Cooloola Cove traffic, IBIS 8194, now rolling runway 34 right. Trucking north to Maryborough. Cooloola Cove.
It's not recorded. Cooloola Cove traffic, Microlight 6340, lines up, rolls 34, straight out departure to the north. Climb to 2,500, Cooloola Cove.
Traffic, final car is 65204, running and rolling runway 34. Bay and on to Parker Heavy.
Yeah, copy. Texan, Microlight 6340, Cooloola Cove, depart the circuit area 1,500. Climbing 2,500, tracking out to the north for Maryborough. Cooloola Cove. Maryborough traffic, trike 6340 is overhead the field, 2,200. And we'll be joining midfield crosswind for runway 35, full stop, Maryborough. 6340, short final, Maryborough.